If you want to set a password on any app in your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to set up your secure folder, and we've made a dedicated video on how to set up a secure folder, so if you're interested, just look it up on our channel. It's literally called How to Set Up Secure Folder. And when you have that secure folder set up, it should appear on the app drawer, so you can click on the secure folder app, and then you will see all of the apps that are here. Now let's click on this plus button, which will allow us to add even more apps. In this case, I'm going to go for the Gmail. Now when it's added right there, we'll be able to access it through secure folder, but it will also remain on your normal use home screen, for example. So here it will have different instances, so we can log into different account, and it will be protected by password. But also, if you want to keep it protected all the time with the password, just click on these three dots and move to the settings. From those settings, select Auto Lock Secure Folder each time I leave an app. And now, if we open it, as I said, it's entirely different Gmail than the one that I have right here. As you can see, it's logged in. And next, also, as you can see, when I try to open secure folder again, it asks me for the password, and I need to insert it. And that is basically everything.